Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nur Afiat Budiman. Saya adalah mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan kategori 1 gelombang kedua di Universitas Muhammadiyah Makassar. Pada hari ini, saya akan melaksanakan ujian kinerja praktik pembelajaran dengan materi naratif teks dengan metode problem based learning di kelas 9 di UPT SMP Negeri 4 2 Pitue Kabupaten Sidendren Rapang. Untuk itu, saya memohon bimbingan dan masukan dari Bapak Ibu dosen dan guru penilai atas video praktik pembelajaran saya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my students.
Hello, Mas.
The leader, light a prize, please. Afifa.
Attention, please. Yes. Stand up, please. Before studying, let's pray together. Say greeting to our teacher. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sit down, please.
Oke. Ya. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay. How are you today?
I am fine, and you?
Okay, I am very well, thank you. Okay, before we start our lesson for today, I will check your attendance, yeah. Okay, listen your name. Agung Sangjaya. Afifa.
Present, ma'am.
Nurul Anissa. Jihan Jupri. I have ice breaking for you, so that you have to stand up, please. Everybody stand up. Okay, look at the pictures. This is the quotes for you, so that you have to say that. Ya, sudah dilihat semua screennya di belakang?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, everybody, if ma'am say English class, you have to say more you do, more you get, nothing to do, nothing to get. Okay, everybody, English class, more you do, more you get, nothing to do, nothing to get. Okay, thank you very much and sit down, please. Okay, more you do artinya melakukan yang lebih, maka kalian akan mendapatkan juga yang lebih. Nothing to do, kalian tidak melakukan apa-apa. Nothing juga, yang tidak ada juga yang kalian dapatkan. Oke, it is quotes for you. Ini kutipan buat kalian. Semoga you have to learn for English for today. Okay, my students, I have a question for you. Did you see the screen and the pictures? My question is, when you were a child, did your parents tell a story?
I am, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. My favorite story is Pinocchio.
Okay, that's good. Pinocchio. Anyone? Ada yang lain? Ada yang apa sih jenis biasanya diceritakan kepada biasanya waktu kecil pernah menonton cerita atau dongeng dan lain sebagainya. What kind of the story? Yes, Rizka Handayani? Cinderella. Oke. Okay. Jadi there are many story. Yeah. You can look at the pictures. Ini yang pertama cerita tentang
Maling
Kundang. Next.
Timun Mas.
Oke, okay, next.
Cinderella.
Oke. Okay. The pictures in this
Pinocchio.
And the Sang Kuryang. Jadi masih banyak lagi. There are many story. Masih banyak lagi cerita-cerita dongeng ataupun cerita tentang naratif teks itu sendiri ya. Tadi Afifa menjelaskan bahwa pernah diceritakan tentang Pinocchio. Rizka Handayani about is the Cinderella. Maybe do you have any favorite story when you were a kid? Mungkin ada salah satu cerita di sini, salah satunya favorit kalian ada?
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, what else? Apa itu?
Pinocchio.
Maling kundang. Oke, maling kundang. Next, apa lagi?
Pinocchio.
Pinocchio. Oke. What is the related with this story we have to learn for today? Apa kaitannya yang kita Mem tadi tanyakan ini dengan pembelajaran kita hari ini? Today we have to learn about the narrative text. Okay, today we have to learn about the narrative text. Jadi hari ini, pada pertemuan hari ini, kita akan mempelajari tentang narrative text. But before that, we have to know about the basic competence. Jadi sebelum itu, kita harus tahu dulu apa sih kompetensi dasar pada pembelajaran kita hari ini. Yang pertama, 3.7 yaitu membandingkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari beberapa teks naratif, lisan, dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi. Kemudian, kompetensi dasar 4.7 yaitu menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari teks naratif itu sendiri. Okay, my students, the learning objective for today, the first one is determine the social function and structure text of narrative text. Sama kita akan menentukan, we have to determine, kita akan menentukan the social function and structure text of narrative text. Next, model pembelajaran kita, yaitu kita akan menggunakan problem based learning dengan metode window shopping. What is window shopping? Jadi nanti anak-anakku akan secara berkelompok, masing-masing akan mengunjungi kelompok lain untuk menemukan informasi dari setiap kelompok itu sendiri. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much for today. Okay, my students, I have worksheet for you. The first one, this activity, you can look at the instruction. Jadi kegiatan kita yang pertama hari ini, please observe and listen the video carefully. Nanti Mem akan menampilkan sebuah naratif teks, cerita naratif teks, and the secondly you have to write down. You have to write down what is the title of the story. Kemudian yang ketiga, what is the moral value of the story, and the fourthly is what is the social function of the story. So I will share for you. Jadi Mem akan membagikan LKPD ini kepada masing-masing siswa ya. Jadi kalian akan mengerjakan. Silakan open your notebook. Silakan dibuka buku catatannya. After that, I will play the video. Okay, did you get it? Sudah dilihat pada LKPD 1? Oke, my students, LKPD-nya sudah berada di tangan kalian. Jadi, before we do the worksheet, you have to watch the video. Jadi, silakan diamati video di atas. Kalian akan menemukan informasi dari LKPD kalian yang sudah berada di masing-masing. Jadi, kalian bisa menemukan informasi tersebut berdasarkan video yang sudah ditampilkan. Oke, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, I will play the video.
The old men say wonders happened back in the time in a village in Korea. There lived a poor woodcutter named June with his wife John. The couple owned nothing but a small hut and an axe. June had to go to the forest and cut trees every single day for the living.
Oke, sudah dinonton videonya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I wanna ask you. Saya mau tanya pada kalian, what is the title of the story? Apa judul? Yes?
This is a magic pot.
Okay, thank you, Sophie. The title of the story is Magic. So the title of the story you watch in the video, the title is Magic Pot. Jadi judulnya adalah The Magic Pot. So today, based on your worksheet, berdasarkan worksheetnya tadi sudah dinonton, kalian bisa menemukan informasi. Silakan kalian menjawab pertanyaan berdasarkan pada worksheet tersebut. Okay, but before we do the worksheet, any questions so far? Ada yang ingin bertanya?
Ayo, ma'am.
Okay, Afifah.
Number 2. How many the character of the story?
Okay, how many the characters of the story? Thank you. The question of Afifa is how many the character of the story. Jadi in Indonesia, how many, berapa banyak karakter pada cerita tersebut. Jadi kalian sudah tadi tonton, karakter is about, misalkan pada ceritanya tadi Maling Kundang. Maling Kundang is the one the character. Ya. Next, tadi pada cerita tersebut bisa dilihat berapa karakter dari orang yang berperang dalam cerita tersebut. There are two. So that you can get the answer from based on the video. Jadi kamu bisa mendapatkan informasinya tadi. Silakan dituliskan di worksheet kalian, dan di worksheet yang Mem sudah bagikan, jangan lupa tuliskan namanya dan niche-nya. Oke? Silakan dikerjakan. Any questions so far?
Number 4. What is the social
Function of the story. Apa fungsi sosial dari cerita? Next, what is the next activity? Jadi kegiatan kita selanjutnya, you have to, we will make a group discussion. Kita akan membentuk sebuah grup diskusi, so that you have to sit with your friends. Jadi silakan duduk bersama teman kelompoknya yang sudah membagikan di pertemuan sebelumnya. Oke? But before we move with our members, the instruction apa yang akan kita lakukan pada activity kedua ini. Yang pertama, we have to, your teacher will divide you into 4 group. Jadi kita akan membagi menjadi 4 kelompok ya, menjadi 4 kelompok. After you get your group, please wait for your teacher shares. You will get 10 pictures and 10 short text in group. Jadi Mem akan nanti membagikan sebuah gambar, but before that you have to move with your friends. Okay, let's go. Move with your group 1, group 2, and group 4. Ya, please. Ya, silakan bersama dengan teman kelompoknya. Pokoknya, okay, but before we start our discussion, sebelum kita memulai diskusi pada hari ini, you have to know, the first one is, tadi sudah dinonton ya, salah satu video tentang Magic Pot. Magic Pot itu salah satu contoh the kind of narrative text. Jadi, one of the kind the narrative text. One of you, ada dari salah satu dari kalian bisa bacakan definition of narrative text?
Definition: a narrative text is an imaginative story to entertain people.
Okay.
Teks narasi adalah cerita imajinatif yang bertujuan menghibur orang.
Okay, thank you very much Adam Kurniawan. Okay, thank you very much, Adam. Jadi, definition of narrative text is an imaginative story to entertain people. Jadi, teks narasi adalah cerita imajinatif yang bertujuan untuk menghibur orang. Jadi, tujuan dari narrative text itu adalah untuk menghibur. Next, the purpose of narrative text. Jadi, apa sih tujuan dari teks naratif ini? So, you have to repeat after me. Silakan diulangi setelah mem ya. The first one is, it is to entertain the readers. Amuse the readers. The secondly, it is also tells a moral value or lesson about the story. Oke, thank you. Jadi tujuan dari teks naratif itu yang pertama untuk menghibur pembaca. Next, yang kedua untuk memberikan nilai moral dari cerita tersebut. Apa nilai-nilai yang bisa kita dapatkan dari cerita tersebut? Did you understand? Okay, thank you. Next is, what is the kinds of the narrative text are? The first one is fairy tales. Apa itu fairy tales? Cerita dongeng hayalan. What kinds of the cerita dongeng hayalan? Apa saja cerita dongeng hayalan? Seperti like tadi ada Pinocchio, Cinderella, sesuatu yang belum terjadi. Itu hanya dongeng ya. Kemudian folk tales. What is the folk text? Apa itu folk text? Cerita rakyat. That's good. Cerita rakyat. Jadi cerita rakyat itu biasanya seperti like the cerita rakyat, misalkan Maling Kundang, Sangkuriang, that's right. Yes? Ya, bawang putih, bawang merah ya, salah satu cerita lokal dari Indonesia. Next, the kind of the narrative text is fable. Cerita tentang binatang. Jadi salah satu jenis narrative text itu biasanya cerita tentang, this is the narrative text. And the fourthly is the generic structure. Struktur teks dari narrative text. The first one is orientation. What is the orientation? Orientation, it is about, repeat after me. Orientation, it is about the opening paragraph where the character of the story are introduced. Secondly, complication where the problem in the story develop. Thirdly, resolution. Where the problem in the story is solved. It is usually ended by happy ending or sad ending. Ya, struktur teks dalam naratif teks itu there are three. Jadi ada tiga. The first one is orientation. Orientation itu biasanya berasal dari awal paragraph. It's about the opening paragraph. Ya. And the secondly is complication. What is the complication? Complication is where the problem story develop. Jadi cerita tersebut terjadi berasal itu bisa ditemukan pada complication. And the thirdly is resolution. Resolution is where the problem is the story is solved. Bagaimana masalah tersebut diselesaikan pada bagian resolusi ini. Oke? Did you understand apa sih fungsi sosial, language features, and the structure of the narrative text? So that my students, I have for envelope the narrative text. Jadi di sini mempunyai 4 amplop. Di dalamnya ini berisi cerita naratif text. But you can find the information. Kalian bisa menemukan informasi tentang cerita tersebut dengan cara men-scan barcode pada amplop ini ya. First one. I have double tip saja dia. Ya. Ya, silakan kalian bekerja sama bersama teman kelompoknya. If you find the difficult, kalian menemukan kesulitan, please silakan ditanyakan. Ya, silakan. Oke. The others group, jadi kelompok lain yang akan berkunjung, silakan membawa your notebook. Silakan kalian membawa buku catatan kalian. Find the information, temukan informasi dari cerita dari kelompok lain. Kemudian kalian catat, silakan kalian memberikan tanggapan, suggestion with other group, dan apa sarannya mengenai kerja kelompok dari kelompok yang kalian kunjungi. Oke? Did you understand? Yes. Okay? Now, so you have to visit the other group.
Okay, everyone. Today I am going to tell all the story about the crying stone. Orientation. In a small village, a Grace lived with her mother. The Grace is a very beautiful girl. Every day, she puts makeup and wears her best clothes. She does a lot to help a mother in a field. The Grace is a very lazy. Number 2, one day, the mother asked the Grace to accompany her to go to the market to buy some food. At first, the Grace refused, but the mother persists her by saying they are going to win clothes. Mother.
This is one and
Although her mother is a very sad. Maksudnya, gadis itu menyuruh ibunya berjalan di belakangnya dan ibunya sangat sedih. She agrees to hold her younger. On the way to the
main character of a story.
Thank you, everyone. The main story is Darmi and her mother.
Hey guys, this is story Nene Pakande. What time ago before us and Evan or most were born with an both woman, one kids to 8 babies and kids. See romance.
Okay everybody, this is a story titled Sang Korea. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom in Pyongyang land. Lived a happy family. There were a father and a former dog. His name is Tuma. A mother which was called in Dayan Sundu, and a child which called himself Sang Korea. One day, Dayan Sundu asked his son to go hunting with his lovely dog Tuma. After hunting all day, Sang Korea became desperate and worried because he hunted no deer. Then he
Hello, I am from Group 4 and I will tell you this story. The title of this story is The Magic Pot. Once upon a time, in a village in Korea, there lived a poor woodcutter named Jun with his wife Jung. The couple owned nothing but a small hut and eggs. John had to go to the forest and cut trees every single day for the living.
Okay, my students, after that 5 minutes, you have to join in others group. Okay, grup 1 silakan berkunjung lagi ke grup 3, grup 3 silakan berkunjung lagi ke grup 2. Ya, silakan.
not wanted in hard and suffering of the
The couple looked into the pot. Their eyes grew wide. There are two eggs. The pot is a magical. I got an idea. The couple put some rice in the pot and left it overnight. The next day, the pot began to over coins, followed by gold and many others jewels. They become rich.
Oke, finish. Sudah berkunjung dengan kelompok lain. Silakan, you have to sit down please in your group. Silakan kita semuanya duduk di bersama kelompoknya masing-masing lagi. Okay, my students, after we discuss and presenting your narrative text, jadi pada hari ini kita sudah berkunjung dengan kelompok lain. Ada berapa cerita yang tadi sudah ditemukan? There are four. That's right. What is the title? The first title. Judul yang pertama di grup 1, judulnya apa? Nenek Pakande ya. Oke, judul naratif tes kedua, kelompok 2, Sang Kuryang. And the next, kelompok 3, group 3 is Crying Storm. What is in Indonesia Crying Storm? Batu menangis. And then next, the last one is group. Okay, my students, the last one is we have to conclude. Jadi kita akan menyimpulkan pembelajaran kita pada pertemuan hari ini. Ada yang bisa menyimpulkan? Ya, tentang apa sih yang kita pelajari? What is the conclude of our learn for today?
Ma'am.
Okay, please Agung Sanjaya.
About definition of narrative text.
Okay, that's good. The first one is definition of narrative text. Ada yang lain?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Nurul Alnisa, please.
The narrative text of negative text.
Yes.
Negative text.
Yeah. Okay, generic structures of narrative text. The first one is orientation, computation, and resolution. Okay, thank you very much for Nurul Anissa. Okay, ada yang lain yang bisa menyimpulkan dari kelompok? Ya, okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes. Alika, please.
It's about language features of narrative text.
Okay, the language features of narrative text. Okay, thank you very much for Alika. Okay, so group 1, group 2, 3, and 4, we have to conclude our lesson for today about the narrative text. Tadi Agung saya sudah menyimpulkan bahwa we have to learn about the definition of narrative text. And secondly is generic structures of narrative text. Is about the resolution, orientation, resolution, and complication and resolution. And the last one is the generic structures of narrative text. Okay, my students. After that, we have to conclude. Give applause for another group. Yeah. Excellent ya, semuanya bekerja dengan baik, grup 1, grup 2, dan grup 3, and the last group 4. So today, I have a post test for you, so that you have to, your handphone, gadget kalian, silakan kalian keluarkan. Kita akan evaluasi pembelajaran kita pada hari ini menggunakan aplikasi. So that you have to open your WA group, I will send the link in WA group. Silakan kalian melihat di WA group. students, after we post-test, we are post-test, so that today we have to reflection. Jadi kita akan merefleksi pembelajaran kita hari ini. Yang pertama, silahkan kalian tuliskan, what is your feeling in learning process? Bagaimana perasaan kalian selama proses pembelajaran ini? Next, the question is, what is the difficulties that you find in learning process? Jadi apa saja kesulitan yang kalian temukan pada pembelajaran kali ini? I will share you sticky notes so that you have to write down and answer the question about the reflection on the. Okay, my students, after you write down our reflection, setelah kalian menuliskan refleksi, please stick on the karton on the whiteboard. Jadi silakan kalian tempelkan hasil refleksi kalian pada pembelajaran hari ini. Okay, let's go. Group 1, 2, 3, and 4. After we have to reflection for today, jadi setelah kita merefleksi pada pertemuan berikutnya kita masih akan mempelajari tentang narrative text. It's about analyze the narrative text. Ya, tetap kalian membawa HP karena Mem akan bagikan LKPD pada HP kalian yang nantinya akan digunakan. So that my students. The last, thank you very much for your attention, and the leader, let up rise, please.
Okay, everyone, attention, please. Yes. Stand up, please. After studying, let's pray together. Adon. Say greeting to our teacher.